If you're looking for proven ways to grow your locksmith business and attract more local customers online, this video is for you. I'll share some powerful marketing tips that have worked for countless businesses just like yours. Whether you're just starting out or you're already established, these strategies can help you make this your best year in business so far. The first and most important thing to focus on with your digital marketing is your website, because your website is the first impression that you're making with new customers. So you need to make sure that you have a modern design, and that modern design should translate incredibly well onto your mobile phone. Your website must be mobile friendly because the majority of your visitors will be coming through on mobile phones. You also want to make sure that your website is incredibly easy to navigate. You want to make sure that it's easy for customers to find which services you offer. You want to make sure it's easy to see which service area you cover. And you want to make it incredibly easy for customers to contact you. You also need to make sure that your website loads very fast. Customers do not want to wait around for your website to load, and neither does Google or Bing. The next thing that you want to focus on when it comes to your digital marketing is your search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is going to help you get found when people are searching for your services online. Now, there are lots of different things you need to do to improve your SEO, but I'm going to give you 3 great tips that are going to get you started. The first one is building out specific service pages for each of the services that you offer. The second is to build out dedicated pages that target each of the local areas that your business covers. And the third is improving your EEAT by ensuring that you've added real pictures of your team and adding lots of high quality information about your company. The next thing your business needs to focus on is your Google Business Profile. This is what shows up when people are searching for local service providers like yourself in what's known as the map pack. Your Google Business Profile will also show on the right-hand side of your SERP when people search for your company's name. So ensure that all the information is filled out correctly. Make sure you've added optimized content inside of the About Us section, and ensure that you've added all of the services that your company provides, as well as making regular use of the post feature. Another great tip is to ensure you're building out good, high quality citations across the internet to help Google trust your Google Business Profile. The next thing I need you to focus on is your review generation. You need high quality reviews on every platform that your business is listed on. Facebook, Trustpilot, Google Business Profile, anywhere you can get reviews left for your company online, you want high quality reviews. So figure out a review generation strategy that works for your business and be consistent with it. Make sure that you respond back to each of the reviews to show Google that you're an active business that's engaging with your customers, and also show your potential new customers that you care about your previous customers. The next tip is to be active on your social media platforms. Make sure that your customers don't research your company only to find inactivity across your social media channels. Show them constant updates, pictures of your staff or work, adverts about the services that you provide, links to your blogs and more. This all helps them know that you're an active company that's doing a lot of business. It will also help you with your search engine optimization, as social media marketing helps with your indexation and your overall rankings on search engines like Google and Bing. Next is pay-per-click advertising. This is where you only pay when someone clicks on your website after they've searched for a term in Google or Bing that you have decided is relevant for your business. You can restrict the locations that your adverts show up in to ensure that there's only local people seeing your ads. This is going to make sure that you're not paying for somebody to visit your website from another country, for example. This is a fantastic way to get the leads to come into your business quickly, but it can be quite expensive depending on the amount of competition that you have in your area. It's also imperative that you first address the problems with your website before running pay-per-click advertising, as a website with a low conversion rate will often cost a lot of money to get leads in. If you'd like any help with your website, your search engine optimization, or any other aspect of your digital marketing strategy, feel free to get in touch with us at Footsteps Design. We're always happy to have a chat and see how it is that we can help you and your business grow.